Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Honor Gang. What is going on, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Bro, Tuesday, mate. A pump, a dump, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Maybe today he'll have a good fall. I've been reading way too many children's books during my holidays. But it's good to see you. What's going on, gang? Let's jump into the charts. Let's jump into the chat. How's it going? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Let's get going. Good morning. What's going on, everybody? Pink box rejection. Pink box rejection is life. Of course it's life. Look at this. My God. Well, we talked about this last night in the Discord of how how all the moves are happening overnight from about 3 a.m. onwards. And we can see that quite clearly. You know, you get your pump, your dump, your continuation up yesterday. I mean, we had a decent push out of here. And then, you know, front run our pink box. So we're like, okay, we're kind of just teasing the pink box, right? And now, you know, maybe you got to third base here. And he decided, hold on, honey. And then he came to town after that, you know. I don't know how it works. I'm married, okay? So rolling over here slowly, painfully, choppy. I don't know how else to explain it, but really shite price action right now, okay? Really shite. So what do we require now? Patience. Patience is required. What's going on, chat? So how are you all doing? Wagwan Philly Skills. My man, what's going on? Alexander G, God bless you. She says, take a moment, guys, and click that like button. That'd be cool. What's going on, Dusty? Good to see you. Rob, Elias, Albert, Jonathan McCord. What's going on, man? I always wonder, like, the names with mix, like McDonald and McCord and McJesus, you know, that hockey player. It's Mick. Wonder where the Mick came from. Is that Scottish? It's got to be Scottish. Ivan, good to see you, man. G1, HW, Shriyam Pandy. Are they ever going to revert the names back? Like, they're all just going to be @ signs now? I think think that's kind of lame, man. You never get anybody's actual name anymore. And I think they did it so that like you can at people in the chat down here. So I can go to Mr. Crypto Jung. I mean, if you really want to yell at someone in the chat, you can do so. That's what they want. Weird. What's going on, everybody? Scottish Mac, Irish Mick. Okay, see, I've been edumacated. Edumacated. That's good, man. Shriyan, how you doing, man? G1, Ivan, good to see you. C, Curtis Hill, Bitcoin rolling over. Put a 2 in the chat if you shorted the pink box. I mean, spoon feed, complete spoon feed. So, looking good here. I need to see some 2s in the chat. You guys are my heroes. For me, I was not awake at 3:30 in the morning. Good to see you, Trace, Curtis Hill, Mr. Hefe, Jonathan McCord. I love pineapple pizza. Yes, this is the controversial. You know, my argument's always been like, if there's a pineapple pizza and it's like 2 in the morning and you get that like starving hunger, like, or you wake up in the morning or at night, whenever, and you just want something easy and there's a pineapple pizza on the table, will you eat it? My answer is hell yeah. Hell yeah, I'll eat it. Maybe I'm crazy. What's going on, Castile? Sora, what's going on? How you doing? A little bit of a rollover now. Breaking this low, which is interesting to me. 12 hour. I want a 12 minute, please and thank you. So we have broken this low, so this is interesting for me now because we've rolled over and it's kind of was being defended. Order block tap right now. Continuation up possibility. The way this structure is going right now, this low right here, it's valid on the 12 minute, but not on the 15 minute. So am I splitting hairs a little bit? So I think it's hard for me to justify retracement short here. That's where I'm at. It's hard for me to justify retracement short here. It's easier for me to look for continuation long in here. However, we'll see what we get. Rotating down here. Order block tap. Yeah. Because I'm splitting hairs trying to make this a low. These 2 red candles considering this a low. It's dangerous when you've been up only for so long. Mitigation of a low up in here. Pink box. Rotation down. Coming down, sweeping. I am interested in this area where we're coming into right now because we have uptrending momentum, but I would like to see some sort of liquidity sweep into this fair value gap here. So we'll see what we get. Slowly creeping down here. That's the problem with this price action right now. It's a little bit, I mean, if you get stuck, right? You get stuck in this area. We were talking about the bias, right? And the narrative of the market and how to participate in this thing, right? Like it's literally going from here to here, but the way it gets there is it's disgusting, right? It's just very gross. So required patience again. I took that one trade yesterday with you guys, $220 or something like that, and that was my day yesterday. I didn't want to overtrade coming back from vacation. It's very important to get, back on the horse properly. Respect the charts. It's also important for me anyways, I don't know about you guys, but when you've been away from the charts, we talk about a green light a lot. So like I want to be green lit before I trade. So it's important that I watch price action before I kind of start putting on any sort of significant size or anything like that. So I'm just trying to remain patient here in the next couple days and see where we get to. And that, good to see you, JR, David, Army Piper, my man, how you doing? Laurent, hey buddy. Good morning. My son is up. I guess I wake up my son every morning. I'm that dad saying gang, gang, gang. Mr. Brumbelow, how's it going, Mr. Brumbelow down below? All my beautiful American friends. Melissa, One Love, what's going on? AlexOCrypto, how you doing, man? Isaac, Scub, Cubanadian, good morning, good to see you, bro. Keen Bean, Froth Dog Billionaire, Otter Life. It is Otter Life, man. Pickles on PB&J? Pickles on PB&J. What? Now that sounds nasty, but I haven't tried it, so I can't play it down, man. I can't play it down. Baby Genius, what's going on, man? Long time. How many times have we held this poll now? It's important. It's a very important, especially for the new people. Okay, it's important. I love pineapple. See? Jonathan knows what's up, man. He knows what's up. How you doing, JR? Did you manifest me this morning, JR? Are you manifesting again? He says he manifests me in his streams in the morning. He does like an otter seance or something like that, something wild. I have no idea what he's up to, but careful with that voodoo stuff, man. Let me just see here. Block here. Downtrending momentum. Trying to bounce out of this guy right here. Retest to previous highs. Order block here. Like, I do like this one here, but not convinced yet, guys. I'm just not convinced. We'll see. Oil rotating down, however, consolidating now, so we'll see what we get to. I don't think this they said the war is almost over and all this stuff. I don't know. We'll see. But you can just tell by the way the price is moving. It's very, very choppy and manipulated, so don't get in front of the train is my suggestion, but deciding which way the train is heading is the hard part, as we know. So we do have some news coming in, and it's weird. It's at 9 o'clock today, guys. So 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. existing home sales for February. So then crude oil stock change. So I don't think this is going to be much of a market mover, but it's something that, it says it's significant. So we should be aware of that coming into 9 o'clock, which is still 45 minutes away. Normally it's at 8:30, so maybe we'll crawl into that news data, but a nice rollover here nonetheless. Trying to hold. What's going on, Lauren? Good to see you. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Good morning, Army Piper. Are you back today now? How's your drive, bro? Hopefully you had a good drive and you're not too tired to deliver the ultimate alpha, omega, and beta, theta of the markets. What's going on, Melissa? Good to see you. AlexOCrypto. David Brumbelow. Isaac, good morning. Cubanadian. How you doing, man? Skull Tattoo. Froth Dog. How you doing? Yeehaw. Otter Life. It is Otter Life, man. It's an Otter Life. It's the freedom life. That's what it's all about, man. Scottish. Nate, what's going on? I'm back and ready to go. Good drive. Good job. Dave Digital is in the chat. Dave Digital is going to do a Alexo podcast thingy, my bobber. I have to listen to it, but I'm so busy right now. You get back from vacation and it's just like a pile of stuff to get going again, which is never easy, but it's worth it. Omar, what's going on, man? Good morning. Keen Bean, good to see you. Troll Games, Traveling Studio, good morning. Gang, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Retest our previous lows. Continuation down here. Possibility. We got downtrending pig nipples. Just breaking down slowly. Breaking down slowly. So a little bit of patience here. How you doing, Chantel? Good to see you. Chad P. Nate. Franco. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. And if you are new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Navigating the charts, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's our job. That's how we roll. Trying to be different by design. And, I mean, it's weird how you just, you be honest, you show your charts, you show your trades, and all of a sudden everybody, it's like, hey, man, this guy's actually trading. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, man? Harp, how's it going? Good to see you. Ace, Triple M, how you guys doing? Good to see you. The only requirement here, you can hit the like button, you can subscribe, but I do ask that you do say good morning. Good mornings are important to me. I mean, don't show up on the job site and not say good morning. I mean, you're an absolute douche canoe if you do so. It's even if you don't like the person and they do bad work, on the construction site, and that you're always having to pick up their slack for the day. It's still, you still are in the trenches together, right? You're still going in, banging out the work, working hard to try and get the job done. So you come in, you say good morning. Sometimes you buy the guy coffee. Hopefully he picks it up a little bit, but this stuff ain't easy. So we might as well have a community trying their best to do it, right? Speaking about communities, best community in crypto. Join the Discord. I don't know what to say. The Discord, we did 2 lessons yesterday. We did like 5 live streams. I don't know what else you guys want from me. Charts, setups. Today we'll go straight directly into the live stream after this live stream. Where we'll look to take some trades possibly, if the market allows us to. Best Discord in crypto, AlexOCrypto.com. Pretty wild. I can't believe I have a freaking website. What's going on, Steve Hickey? Chase, good to see you, B-Rad. Big Boss. Jennifer, how you doing? Good morning. Skids, Loco. Crypto Louis short. A little bit of a pushback here. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down possibility. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. G1. Good morning. Steve Hickey. So where are we at really? Like with Bitcoin, we've been creeping up really. So yesterday was a, double top news event. Oh, we're not going to have the war so long, then chop, 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 and then pump overnight. Right? So what have we done? We've just created a boat ton of liquidity, really. Okay? A boat ton. So, however, price action has been pretty constructive on the way up. So we'll see. We'll see if this wants to continue or if this is going to be our rejection zone, golden pocket, order block. But I need confirmation. For me, confirmation is going to be key. Otherwise, we look for continuation, right? That's the thing. You can short in here. We took a short yesterday, but the overall trend is up right now, except for obviously our weeklies and stuff like that. So definitely something to watch as we come into here. Looking for a retest of previous lows, continuation down possibility right now. Bouncing off this order block. So far, so good. Could be met with rejection here. Solana, same thing. Choppy on the way up. Bitcoin choppy on the way up. We'll take a look at market Cipher once the room fills up a little bit. We got 181 people in here. And I think we only got 50 likes or something like that. I don't get it, guy, though. I can dance or something. Good to see you, Loco. Mr. Brumbelow. I'm waiting till market opens for a trade. That's smart. I think it's smart. I think even when market opens, you should probably wait 5-10 minutes to see kind of direction and the volatility. And I know trades by Matt. He greenlights himself 15 minutes after market opens. Do I expect Solana to keep pumping? As long as this news narrative that Solana is TVO, stable coins. I mean, look at how ugly this is, though. Like, the price action's just ugly. So, I mean, we got some sell walls in front of us around 89.90. So, it's going to be a little bit of a turbulent area, as we can see throughout his story. And the way this has moved up, right? It's the way things, when you get this chop, like this is just a big chunk of price action. It's not really smooth. Like, you can see how this is pretty smooth, right? Look at this. This is just fat, thick choppiness, right? So the conditions of trading right now, it's wartime volatility. It's uncertainty. It's fear. It's all of that stuff displayed in candles. That's what we're trading right now. So if it's not clear, we don't take the trade. But it's harder and harder to find clear ideas within the trading, right? So patience. We're just above VWAP, so we'll see. VWAP's done its job overnight again. Okay, just like yesterday. Look, just like yesterday. VWAP slap here, holding, continuation up. Right, and yesterday same deal. Right, yesterday we got the slap, holding, continuation up. VWAP doing its job. Order block here. Golden pocket imbalance order block here. Where do we get to, right? We'll see. The issue is like the candles, right? Whatever the candle is, even if it's a red candle or a green candle, it's like this, and then it's just like boop, boop. Like, and naturally, it's like, as a scalper, it's stopping you out, or it's right, or it's taking profits. Like, we hit TP1 yesterday in like 20 seconds. But it's the nature of the beast, right? It's how the market's going to move in these conditions. It's always about, conditions bias. What's going on, Dave? Good to see you guys. Randy Hipper's in the chat. What's going on, Randy? How you doing? Are you at 30,000 subscribers yet? You should be. 30, 40, 50,000. 25.1. Look at that. Guys, go and subscribe to Randy Hipper. Lorelei, good morning. Good to see you. Marion has the day off. Let's go, Marion. Awesome. If you did vacation right, you'll be busy when you get back. I am busy. Yeah, I have tickets to answer. I don't know, people want to do affiliates, and I don't know. I'm such a stickler for like people. Hey, you want to use my exchange? Hey, like, do you want to use my prop firm? There's a couple prop firms reaching out to me right now. And I'm like, not really, man. I'm a trader, guys. I just want to trade. I want to educate my community as best as I can. I love teaching and I love trading. I don't necessarily, I'm not here to I'm not a salesman, okay? The first time I've ever shilled an exchange is like a month ago. Okay, I have affiliate links. See, look here now. It's like, join Bitunix. Join Bitunix if you want to support the channel. It's pinned in the messages above. Right? And I did. I asked them to give me a deal exclusive for, and this is extended, so don't worry about this time thing. But I asked them for this so that people in my community could have cheaper fees and okay, the key is that they're cheaper fees, and I have access to like the head rep. So like if anybody has issues, I can get their UID, I can get them help, and that's a big difference, right? It's a big difference. Yeah, Bitfunded has hit me up too. Bitfunded, Klein Funding, Breakout Prop. Alexo on Breakout Prop. I don't like their UI, man. It's too slow. I know one of the head guys at Breakout Prop. The UI sucks, man, if we're being honest. And it just got taken over by Kraken. Right? That's great that you're not a shiller. Yeah. I mean, you go on some people's channels and they got they look like a NASCAR driver, right? They got the NASCAR driver stuff. It's like, here, join Seaman. And join the Seaman Exchange. And join the, I Can't Trade Exchange. And use this indicator that I don't use, but I say I use. Right? Fucking. And I mean, I do believe in supporting channels, right? I do believe that, there's some people who, content creators who are people who are like not trading. If you can't make your money from trading, you shouldn't be advertising trading stuff. That's just my opinion. You should be making money from trading first, and then if they want to support you because you're a good trader and you've helped them, then they should use your stuff. But you see Randy here, she has affiliates and market Cipher affiliates and stuff like that, but she says she's too emotional to be a trader, but she brings you alpha every single day and she shows up every single day. That's someone you want to use their affiliate links with, right? Army Piper does the same thing. He's a trader, he has Chart Prime, he's worked with them forever, right? It's, that's who you want to support. You don't. Anyways. I shared my AI otter pictures. That's awesome. Rumbelow, let's go. Let's go, man. Marion's off. Baby Genius is in here. Neil. Dave Digital. Jay. Good morning. Welcome back. Thanks for being here, Jay. Thanks for being here, Thanos. How's it, bro? It's good. JR, Harry, Dusty, Keen Bean. What's going on? Good morning. Good to see you guys. UI and liquidity, Bitunix wins. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I like this sweep in here. Coming into VWAP right now. Might consider a long down in here, taking this liquidity. Patience, patience, patience. Trying to push back. Cake Wallet and Market Cipher have been sponsoring you for years now. Yeah, I've been part of the Market Cipher was the first place to really sponsor the channel. They don't pay me anymore. Like I've passed, so they used to sponsor me and give me a monthly rate. But then they asked me if I wanted to support another content creator, and I said yes, and I will give them my sponsorship money. Okay, so I'm a Market Cipher trader, but I'm not necessarily sponsored by them anymore, right? Because I wanted to pass the buck. I wanted someone else to get the sponsorship. I got asked by Face himself, right? He said, would you like to help someone new? And I'm like, absolutely, man. Like I don't need the sponsorship money, right? Would you rather be a professional hockey player or a trader? I mean, I'm too short to be I would have to grow a whole foot probably to be a pro hockey player. I think I'd rather be like a pro baseball player though. It's kind of a long season, but I do love hockey. But yeah, I think being a trader is there's a different level of freedom as a trader, right? I mean, you make pretty good money as a hockey player. I mean, if you're good, you make $3 to $8 million a year. If you're really good, you can make more than that, but it's the grind, man. You got to think about the grind that they're on too, right? Like you got to train, you got to all year long. Like for me, I take 10 days that I can go and finish my day after talking with you guys and trading. I can be done for the day in an hour sometimes, right? I don't need to sit here. I can take vacations. I mean, it's hard, but I can. So I think there's good and bad to everything, right? Even baseball, 162 games. Like, you want to play 162 games of baseball a year? I mean, they make wicked money, but crazy, right? It's a lot. You're way more valuable of a creator when you do it on your own. Promote live accounts to really learn how to build funded accounts are just going to rob. Yeah, I think there's a lack of respect for funded accounts too, right? Like you just like, oh, whatever. It's only cost me $50 or whatever it costs, $200 for the funded account, right? So I can't go anywhere after Bitunix. Yeah, I mean the UI is great, man. Like the liquidity is good. You get filled pretty easy, right? Even has like a trading templates that you can use, which are really good. I mean, liquidity is great. I get filled most of the time. Like sometimes weekend price action on Solana is a little bit hard with the liquidity, but as a scalper, I need that, right? I need it to be as liquid as possible, especially when I'm putting on size that I am, right? Break it going up. Parabolic pump soon. You will miss the pump. That's okay. I don't mind missing pumps. I'm not here to hit home runs, man. I've never been here to hit home runs. There's been times where prices just gone ridiculously parabolic and we hit $10,000 trades on the live stream. It's happened. It's not like a regular occurrence. Like I'm happy to get my like $400, $1,200. I get that 4 times a day. I'm crushing it, right? That's it. Like I'm not. Don't be exit liquidity, boss move. I think you just named 3 of the 4 I'm paid subscribe to. Yeah, I love you, David. God bless you, Ben. Did you read any books or have a mentor to learn trading? I've read every. I mean, I could show you my Audible Audible account. I read. I don't read physical books. Are sometimes hard for me to get into, but I do Audible, and I crush books in my ears, especially before bed. I did Trading in the Zone. I read it 2 times in my ears. Is that a way? How do I say that? I listened to the book twice. I listened to the book twice on my break, right? Have a great day, Randy. Take care. But yeah, Trading in the Zone, Best Loser Wins. There's one book that I gotta look it up here. There's one book I suggest. It's how I got the it's how I learned how to. So I implemented my own strategy. I believe it's called the 20-minute trader. I believe that's what it's called. How to be a 20-minute trader by Jeremy Russell. How to be a 20-minute trader by Jeremy Russell. He talks about, and he trades line charts. Fucking weird. So he trades he trades line charts, guys. And he talks about a curvature on the NASDAQ. Okay. How to be a 20-minute trader. I believe that's the book. It really helped me. So I use the NASDAQ US 100 as confluence with my trading, right? It has helped me quite a lot. Best Loser Wins is good. Market Wizards, if you just want some good like raw information, Market Wizards is really good. What else do I have on here? But yeah, I've taken. I mean, I take my trading seriously. What I've done is I've spent an immense amount of time testing and trading, right? Like before this vacation that I just had, I've spent probably 17 hours a day on the charts focused, right? The Daily Stoic will help you a lot with your mentality. That's a good book by Ryan Holiday. The Daily Stoic. Rules for a Night by Ethan Hawke. That's another one. Do you guys want my whole like playlist? Yeah, there's a lot of Best Loser Wins, Market Wizards, How to Be a 20-Minute Trader, The Mental Game of Trading, very good as well. Richest Man in Babylon. That's a very important book. The Richest Man in Babylon. Yeah, there's a lot. Depends on what you want. I'm sure some people in the chat can suggest some books for me that I should look at. Any suggestions, anybody? What's a book that kind of helped you guys? Trading in the Zone? Mark Douglas. Yeah. Mark Douglas. That's a classic. That's like a must read. Yeah, we do have a little library here in the Discord. Mental Game of Trading, Mastering Trading Psychology, Mark Douglas. You don't have to buy it here. I'll put it in the free section for anybody who wants, so you can go into the Discord. There it is. Playboy. Ready Player One. Playboy. Did you short the pink box, Sulio? Sulio 71,200. So you're showing off now. You're showing off, bro. Nice trade, bro. Good job. Must be nice to be in on that side of the planet where you're getting all the trades now. We're going to the moon. Big, long, fat hourly candle incoming. Okay, awesome, man. I'm here for it. Audible is great for driving. Yeah. I sponsor Bitcoin. Bitunix is a big ripoff unless you have a 10K account. I just slippage. I don't have that problem with slippage. Only on like really shitty altcoins. Fees are fees, man. You gotta pay to play. If you want low fees, you're gonna deal with MexC or KSEX, which is kind of gross. Losing teaches the most, yeah. You guys are going nuts with the chat right now. Free Discord. Curious George and the $800 link. Is that your favorite book there, Piper? It's the Bible, yeah. It's Trading in the Zone is the Bible, yeah. It is. It's pretty much. I listen to AlexOCrypto when I'm driving. Thank you, Newbie Crypto. Good morning. Good to see you, man. Drive safe, please. Wick's wife, Fine 89. And Wick is in the chat. Remember, kids, market conditions are ambiguous when the state of war is ambiguous and government data is unreliable. The more you know. Good to see you, man. Parabolic pump. Are you going to give everybody the FOMO this morning? Karaoke Asia? Are you singing while it's going, man? What's your go-to karaoke song here, man? I gotta know. It's it. Personal development comes before building anything else. Yeah, absolutely. Discipline. I mean, you know, I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't drug. I live a pretty clean life. We got bull divs here printing, trying to push out. Same with on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's pushing out. Finding support here. Still no trade. Just trying to be patient here. Choppy at the toppy. Choppy at the toppy. That's where we were at yesterday. Good to see you, wifey. How you doing? The most successful people are bad traders. Yeah, it's true. Low fees on MexC aren't worth it. Join Bitunix and use Alex's links for some promotions. That's it. That's it. Is drugs bad? I mean, I can't say anything. Drugs and trading is bad. That's what I'll say. I think that's an accurate statement. I'm trying to push here. Got news in 13 minutes. I'd like to see 3 drives down here. VWAP slap. That would be ideal. Come back for this liquidity in here. Just trending down here pretty first time we see support. Hey buddy. I'm coming. Little man wants to say good morning. I'm gonna go say good morning to little man. Oh, he's trying to open the door. I guess we got to play a pump song for you guys. Pump song? I think it's pump song. Do 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 do.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pretty rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market Cipher B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Market maker saw my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan, but top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, bye!
I think my son, he's not, because he's a year and a half now, but he's used to me being home and like playing with him in the morning, which is wild. He smudged my glasses. Doji and golfing continuation. Hammer and golfing candle here, baby. Oh man. But he's used to me being home, so he thinks it's time to play. He got out Batman and the Tonka Choi. Does he climb everything and throw everything on the ground over the floor? Yes. He definitely does. He's got a good arm. He's got a great arm. He hit Dad in the face with some pasta the other day. It was pretty good. The hardest part's not getting upset. He knows not what he does. That's what I tell myself. But he's got his Batman. He's got all of my action figures. I should show you guys. He's got my action figures from when I was a kid. I kept like my Batman, my Batmobile for my son one day. So he's got all my action figures, and he's got it running around with his Tonka toy and stuff like that. It's pretty good. Pineapples are for parties, not pizza. Let's go, man. Let's go. Anybody take the long down here? It's trying to make a higher high right now. NASDAQ's showing the way. NASDAQ's showing some strength here. Can it continue? We'll see. I prefer VWAP today. We got the news in 5 minutes, everybody. Existing home sales or whatever. Looking for the VWAP slap. Good morning, everybody in the Discord. Thank you for saying good morning. See if we get follow through here. Pink box rejection. Solana higher low. Trying to continue. Like I said, splitting hairs with this low in here. It's not something I'm necessarily keen on trading based on taking this low. Or even this. Yeah, this is not. Yeah. Volatile, choppy market. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long there. I need to know. You guys got to tell me. Was waiting for VWAP. Yeah. NASDAQ and Bitcoin. Recently, it's good. Recently, it's really good. Sulio. It does decouple sometimes, but recently, it's been really good. I'm waiting for VWAP potentially too. Got a couple longs in the chat. See if we want to continue up here. What was the highly debated poll that we did last time? Like everybody else's polls say, like, is Bitcoin gonna go to 500,000 or 40,000? Right? It's like, I can't be that guy. I'm not the poll guy, you know. I'm not the poll guy. I just wanna help you guys. Alex, so it's like mission control of the narration of the market. We'll try our best, man. Thank you for being here, D Jenny. Hopefully you're doing well. Tap in this order block right now. Can we get rejected, or are we gonna? I like the way the NAS is moving. So NASDAQ coming back into here. Possible retest continuation. 3 minutes till news. I'm not sure if the news will be too significant, but it's something that we should be aware of. I I feel like the moves are coming though in the late at night recently. So Asia's been doing its thing. Asia's doing its thing. 302 people in here. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Slapping up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. It's good to be back. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out. I do appreciate your support and hanging out here. It's pretty sweet. We're gonna go into the Discord right after this today and continue trading. Do some lessons. Engulfing candle to the downside right now. So a little bit of contrarian, not really claiming this area right now. So rotation. Wick test, continuation down. 1 minute till news. I don't think it's going to be a big, it's housing. The news is housing sales, home sales, existing home sales. So it's not it's significant, but I don't necessarily think it's going to, unless it's like absolutely horrific or amazing. I don't think it's necessarily going to move markets. Tomorrow's going to be the day, man. Core inflation tomorrow. That's going to be the fun one, really. Is this 10 o'clock? Oh my God. Because we went forward. This is 10 o'clock, isn't it? I'm off here, guys. It's 10 o'clock now. Because it should be, I just noticed that this is 7:30. It should be 8:30. This is at 10 o'clock, guys. There's no news coming. Sorry about that. It's because we sprung forward, yeah? It's not till 10 o'clock, guys. It's because time change. This thing didn't adjust. Annoying. That's annoying. My bad. So, because it's typically 8:30 and 10 o'clock, right? 8:30, 10 o'clock is typically when we get the news. My bad. My bad. Nice pushback here. NASDAQ still showing strength. So we'll see where we gap today. Let's see the ES. SPY's right around here. So maybe a little bit of a gap up this morning. Bitcoin pushing, bottoming structure, higher highs, higher lows, trying to push back right now. Here we go. Push. We'll do top-down analysis here on Bitty as well before we get going this morning. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, smashing up those like buttons, subscribe if you're new. We're 200 subscribers away from 20,000, man. That's pretty cool, man. So thank you guys for being here and hanging out, smashing up the like button, subscribing if you're new, all that stuff. Is it a Discord paid or free? We have a free section, but it's mostly paid now. We'll do a sale. I don't know. I said I'd wait a long time before doing a sale. So maybe we'll do a bear market sale for the summer or something like that. But, I mean, with the amount of spoon feeding that goes on in our Discord, I think the price is very justified, considering you have 8 traders all spoon feeding all day long. It's the best Discord in all crypto, man. I stand by that. I've seen some Discords and whatever. I mean, ask the community. That's all I have to say is ask the people who are actually in my Discord, and the traders and the people and the kindness and not being a douchebag. We're all there to learn the lessons we hammer out. I mean, we did divergences yesterday. We did bias. We did narrative. Yesterday, how to go about that routine in the morning before you start trading. Strategies, setups, how to read order blocks, how to use VWAP, how to use orb, right? I mean, the education alone that you get, 150 plus videos focused on everything. Order block, VWAP, bonus videos, entries, Wyckoff, CVD, exchange, how to use your exchange, how to add to a trade, leverage, risk management, pairing Sol and BTC, recognizing strength, price action with orb, hunting liquidity, scalp, take profit video. I mean, it non-stop strategies. It's like a free course with eight traders spoon feeding all day. Just like it's awesome. That's all I gotta say. It's awesome. Jake Dorton says, the Discord is the shit for real. Love you, Jake. Oh, man. The best end of story. Otter Gang. That's it. I mean, and if there's anything you want me to add, I do it. I listen to the people. Do I ever trade gold and silver? No, I don't. Unfortunately, I don't. Bitcoin Solana is kind of just, for me, I've invested time, right? I've invested 4 years trading Bitcoin and about 3 years trading Solana. So it's like I have watched this price action through bear markets, through bull markets, through parabolic euphoria, through, so it's like I know this asset, right? I'm not going to go and jump to silver or gold when I haven't, traded it. I mean, I'm sure you could trade anything with the knowledge that I do possess. But I find that my odds would be probably better trading something that, I know, right? So I keep it simple, man. I quit my other Discords because I realized how little they were providing after joining your Discord. Thank you, Golden Child. I appreciate you, bro. It's like $100 a month, though. Yeah, it is. It started it was free for 2.5 years. Then it went to 20. Then it went to 30. And then too many people started joining. So then it went to 60. Then it went to 88. And we're keeping it at 88. It won't get any more expensive than what it is now. Unless I want to retire. But I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. And I mean, what's it worth, right? What's it worth? If you just take some of the signals and the setups from our guys with good risk management, you should be able to make $88. I mean, even when I was on vacation, look at the short setup by Kyle. Right? You got the short from 72 all the way down to here. Walked through handheld the whole way. Right? Then, I mean, Brewberry's gone live twice a day. Handheld, smart money concepts. CVO giving you the rotation. trade flag, giving you guys the liquidity, the setups, the CBD, the signals from HRJ. I mean, his signals are unreal. FJ's signals, unreal. I mean, Lunar Beaches giving TA, Wave Cipher, signals, setups. We gave the long yesterday. I mean, it's trading, baby. Traders helping traders. I'm pretty upset they front ran us with this pump here, guys. Pretty upset they front ran us here. Coming back, retesting previous lows. 20 minutes till market opens. Running away from us a little bit here. We do have our higher high now. Continuation trade. What's going on, Blockchain Crusader? Good to see you, Miguel. What's written on these boxes? Those are otters, man. Those are otters, man. The more otters, the more confluence, okay? Good morning, Hulk Smash. Good to see you, bro. They're the otter blocks. Frank Swayze. What's going on? Greetings from London. He's a Londoner. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. God bless. I pay all the traders, yes. All the traders get paid. Lunar Beaches does it for free, but he has his own channel, and you get paid as a mod as well. All the entries have been 2-3 a.m. my time. Yeah, it's been a weird time for the move. The move has been happening. I'm playing the Douche Canoe song right now. Good morning, Andy. Good to see you, bro. Into a bit of resistance here. I prefer the liquidity in these highs here. A little bit of up only here this morning coming into market open. NASDAQ consolidating sideways, trying to push. Oil rotating down, which is positive, I think. Oil needs to drop it like it's hot, man. So this is a good start of bottoming structure, right? Like with the break here, we can pump into market open, though. Right? A little pump into market open is always something you got to be watching. Right? Because what they're doing is they're trapping liquidity. They're trapping leverage right now. Right? So as they pump, they typically sweep and go. So it's something that I'm always cautious. They've rolled over into market open too, but just beforehand, they're enticing buyers. So why are they enticing buyers, right? If we're up at the top, we've hit our golden pocket retracement on the macro, right? Why are they enticing buyers? We have to always think like this, right? It's a privilege to zoom in. Okay, if you want to zoom in and you want to scalp and you want to take these trades, you must zoom out. Okay, what do we have? So when we look throughout the time frames, we have a nice push up, right? The weekly double bottom, green dot printing. Okay, 3 hour pushing out or 3 day pushing out, daily green dot printing, VWAP crossover to the upside, looking quite nice. Okay. Looking quite nice. However, we need to be aware that we've been down for the most part. We see money flow coming back in on the 12 and the trigger wave here trying to push out. Okay, but this will create an anchor trigger wave, which is typically bearish. Okay, especially when money flow's been red, you typically get one more painful move. So it's something that we need to watch, even though we have the trigger wave pushing us out here. 8-hour money flow, first time. Okay, we've been watching this quite closely with this trend line here, that we have made higher lows all the way through here on the money flow, and we finally crossed into the green. That doesn't mean we can't have a retracement continuation here. Okay, slow and steady on the way up, which is bullish absorption. If price is doing this on the downtrend here, and we get this, we get bullish absorption. Money flow's coming in, trying to push price higher. This means relief rally. Doesn't necessarily mean Valhalla. That's something we need to be aware of as well. Is that what's our sentiment? What's the market doing? Where are we at, right? If we can't understand where we're at, then how are we going to take advantage of where we're going, right? So swing high to swing low, golden pocket retracement zone, order block, resistance, top of the range, resistance. Can we break out, retest, and continue? Absolutely, but we're pretty overextended this morning. So choppy, choppy, choppy on the way up. Not the cleanest price action. So if we lose momentum, we simply look to rotate back into here and make a higher low. However, the thing is that we have broken the low in here. When we have broken the low in here, right, this tells me that market structure has changed, and we should be looking for high, and low. Okay, so we should be looking for this. However, we want confirmation in here. We want reversal structure in order to justify shorting this, at least in minimum, to a retracement continuation down here. Okay, so how do we get here or here? We look for confirmation up here. Otherwise, we're looking for longs. We're looking for continuation longs in this ugly, choppy uptrend coming into market open. That's something that we need to be prepared for as we proceed here. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a rollover here on the 4-hour, looking a little bit weak. However, the 3 is doing the same. Resetting on VWAP, looking like a reset continuation possibility. Same with the 2, rotation down. Money flow trying to make higher lows, but not coming in so significantly now. But the hourly is pushing back. We have a hammer candle, retest to previous highs, higher lows, continuation up. This is looking strong. Okay, right? Retest to previous low highs, retest to previous highs, retest to previous highs. It's pretty simple. Okay, it's not a complicated matter here, right? You push, you push, you push, and you push. Can we get the same thing? Looking good so far. Congratulations on your longs right now. We are pushing out into market open, which is exciting. However, we're looking for pullbacks and continuations, okay? Coming into the resistance up top here. The hourly is rolling over. We can see that, but we are getting VWAP posturing to the upside. So trying to push back, however, very overextended. So how do we treat this? Up only until proven otherwise with structure. 24, continuation here, has reset, VWAP coming up into it. Same with the 12, trying to push out, overextended here. So looking for retracement continuations. Patience is going to be the key. We know this is wartime price action, which means what? There's a lot of chop and volatility with sporadic pumps. So our job is to participate safely and look for that continuation. So patience here. We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. And thank you guys for smacking up those like buttons, supporting the channel, hanging out here. God bless you guys. And let's see what we get today. Should be a fun day. It's always a fun day here, guys. I mean, trading's hard. Talking shit, taking trades is the fun way. Thank you, HRJ, with the 50. Let's go, my man. HRJ Trading is one of our traders in our Discord. Okay? God bless you, bro. God bless you, man. My man. You just spoiling the gang, man. You just spoiling to the gang. Let's put some otters in the chat for HRJ and everybody who just got a membership, man. Hey, Faces here. What's going on, bro? I mean, I think Face told you guys. I mean, it's look at that weekly, man. I mean, for swing traders like Face, I'm sure he's been looking at this for a while, man. It doesn't miss. Go all the way back to where you had something like this, which is here, right? You look here. What's this? What is this? Bottom of the bear. Just saying. Just saying. And then I think the 12 trigger wave and the 8-hour money flow. This 8-hour money flow is something I've been watching the whole time. That's so sexy. I mean, I'm a scalper, but I need to know macro analysis. Market Cipher does the trick, man. If you don't have a bias, if you don't have an idea of how to trade this thing going forward, you're shooting in the dark. You're shooting blanks, man. So Market Cipher is king. God bless you, Face. God bless you, HRJ, for coming through. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. I like when you draw triangles. Crypto lifer triangles. Awesome, bro. Hopefully you're doing well, Face, man. How's you and the family? Are you going to be coming to Vegas? I missed you last time in Vegas. I'll see you in Vegas. I think you guys are all subscribed to Crypto Face. You better be subscribed to Crypto Face. He sponsored the channel from the beginning. HRJ Trading, 970 subscribers. Go and subscribe to HRJ Trading as well. One of the traders and signal givers in our Discord. Great guy. Go and check him out as well. Trying to push. Trapping traders into market open. I'm long since 3 a.m. this morning when I started work. Let's go. Let's go. So you're still long from down here. Let's see. Coming into a bit of resistance this morning. We'll see how this... I mean, we didn't slap VWAP. We've left a little bit of an imbalance down below here. So for me, it's enticing buyers this morning. I would like to short from up here. I would prefer this to like get everybody horny over this thing and then right? And then you on the higher time frames you'd have bearish divergence, SFP. Right? That would be the ideal short in my opinion right now. But for now we wait. Awesome, man. I'll see you there, man. Bring in the fam jam, too. You meet the little guy. Dude is so big now, man. When CryptoFace shows up live, does he have a mask on? What do they say about Batman and the mask, you know? Thanks for coming through. Are you gig along then, Face? I think I saw your video. You're a gig along. I think I saw it. It's pump time, man. He called it a day ago. He told you a day ago. Yeah, see? I only had to watch look at this. I only had to watch the first 5 minutes of this.
It's going to be February 29th. As of Friday, what we're doing get up to around 50 themselves. I don't think it's going to go that high, but
He's giving the sauce always. Do we have access to those indicators? My otter blocks? No, nobody has access to any of my indicators. I ain't go get Market Cipher. That's the one you need. You don't need my indicators. My indicators are just VWAP fucking order blocks. And candle patterns. Doji engulfing. Okay, here's Doji engulfing candle. To the downside. Hanging man engulfing candle. To the upside. Played out well. This is so I don't have to think. This is so I don't miss them. Look at it. right? This is my strategies. But you don't take a hanging man engulfing candle in the African desert, like we say, or 3 yellow raisins. Okay, there's so many patterns. I think I learned this one from CryptoFace. If you know the stiletto pattern, sometimes the stiletto pattern, the chick's got like, if she's like Fiona and she's got like this, she's green, you know. Sometimes the chick's got a big ass green ass ogre toe, right, with this nasty ass toenail, right? Sometimes this would be your low. This would be an SFP. Sometimes she got some nasty ass toe fungus, right? So you got to watch out for that pattern, because sometimes, you know, price will come down, whoop, and then it'll go choo, 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 and then it'll go ping. That'll be her toenail. You know, the one that's scratching the bed sheets, that one, and then she's gone. I learned that one from Face. God bless you, bro. But if you know how to trade it, you can make money. You can make money. You got to watch out for that toenail, though, man. I'll show you an example of a stiletto pattern. It's typically bottoming structure. Do. Yeah, here's a stiletto, right? Like you see it. You start to see these things and you can't unsee them. So you got to sweep down and then you get the chop. This is what creates the divergence, and then there's the toenail right there. Right? That nasty toenail. And then poof, up she goes, right? Like this is another one. Zoop, cha. Right? You gotta watch for that toenail, man. Right? It's good though. Look at this thing, man. Ripping into market open. We got 5 minutes. No trade here, guys. Just waiting. 390 people here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. 159 likes or 149 likes. Let's get that to 200. Thank you for the 50. HRJ, thank you for the 50 face. Order block liquidity zone. So this is kind of where I'm a little bit more interested. Go swing high to swing low here. Golden pocket. So we're looking generally at this high right here. So it'll be our sell wall. In general, like a retracement sell wall. We'll see. We don't want to fade this momentum. This is a nice push. NASDAQ. Yeah. I'm trying to go. Expecting a gap up for the SPY. So if we gap up, right? What I like to see on a gap up is a gap up, fill the gap, and then go. That's kind of how I like to see it go if we're going to get bullish here. If we gap up and we don't come back and fill within the first like hour of trading and it just runs away, you typically come back for it during Asia or in the afternoon. So we watch for that as well here. NASDAQ looking okay. Bitcoin trying to push. Solana into resistance here. Overextended a bit. Fair value gap coming back down potentially. Soy boy Lana. Big sweep. Yeah, it's taking that liquidity as well. Interesting. I like Solana down here. That's where I like Solana. For continuation longs. We'll see where we get to. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It will fall down, y'all. What's that homogeneous stiletto doing in your super charts? Which one is that, Cubanadian? Which one is that, man? Germans have toe fungus? How does what go again? Thanks for the update. Which coins are you personally bullish on? I mean, Hyperliquid looks good. Virtuals looks good. Render, I think, will do good. BitTensor will do good. Link, I think, will do good. And I'm a Solana bull, always have been. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a hobbit who clicks buttons, man. Pretty successful at clicking the buttons, and that's all I do. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. 385 people in here, 157 likes. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Supporting the channel. If you're new here, welcome, subscribe. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Trading, taking trades, showing the trades every single day. Having a good time, man. Best Discord in crypto. Use the Bitunix link for the VIP 3 for 6 months exclusive AlexOCrypto deal. Link is pinned in the comments. If you want to support the channel, that would be cool. Sign up with the link. My favorite exchange. That would be cool. If not, keep going. What do you think about H-bar, Habar? 15-minute chart breakout? I don't know. There's a couple traders. Sniper's Nightmare. He loves Habar. I'm not a Habar fan. These banker coins is, I don't know if banker coins is the way to put it, but I'm pretty I don't know, Algorand, H-bar, XRP, those kind of coins. I stay away from those. They just spell manipulation, but doesn't mean you can't make money off them, right? Hype and Tower are the only tokens I've been trading since I went on vacation. Nice, Nick. Smart choice, man. Smart choice. I mean, narrative, bias, AI play, right? Hyperliquid is like, everybody's, there's good volume, right? It's making money. Yeah, they really don't care how much the coins are worth. They don't. No. They'd rather... Market's open, guys. Here we go. Push up. Continuation. Doji engulfing. Continuation. SPY. Gapping. No gap. Pretty flat. Okay, flat gap this morning. Rotation down. NASDAQ. Sweeping. Pushing. Doji engulfing's at the highs here. Rotation into our golden pocket rejection zone. Trying to push. NASDAQ pushing. SPY is pushing. Gap has been filled. Not much of a gap, guys, but gap has been filled, so it doesn't really matter which way it goes. Just looks like up only right now. The ES is looking strong as well. Double bottom continuation trade. SPY trying to push out continuation as well. Bitcoin. Indecision at the highs. Sweeping the liquidity out of here. Probably come back for some liquidity. We'll see where we get to here. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, supporting the channel, hanging out here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Happy Tuesday. We got news at 10 o'clock. Just housing stuff. The big news is tomorrow with the, what is it? Inflation. Inflation tomorrow. So we got housing. Then we got inflation tomorrow. So be aware of that. Doji engulfing at the highs here. Rotation down. Golden pocket tap. See if we can push down. NASDAQ. Big sweep coming in. Retesting this area as well. Indecision on SPY. Oil. Finding some support here on oil. Just watching oil because of all, all the drama. All that drama. 400 people in here. Thank you guys for hanging out. God bless you guys. Rotate down. Rotate down. Doji engulfing. Continuation. Yeah, boy. Right? Building up that liquidity this morning. Building up the liquidity in the highs. Come back. Retest. Solana. Solana's looking strong. Solana's looking strong. I like Solana lower. Double doji engulfing candles. We'll see. We'll see. Not for me right now. Kind of chop at the top. Patience is key right here. Didn't take the just imbalance down here. Fair value gap still target with VWAP here. We got a golden pocket retracement. Rotation down. We're going to go live in the Discord right after this if you are in the Discord. So I'll see you guys there after the stream. Continue trading. See what we get here. A little patience. NASDAQ's ripping. NASDAQ's ripping. Solana is dipping. Solana trying to hold these low, this high here. NASDAQ continuation up. Bitcoin coming down into this block right here. Into the block. Trapping those longs. Bitcoin rolling over. Doji engulfing. Continuation trade here. Nice sweep. Nice sweep for Bitcoin coming down. Very nice. Block tapped. Solana coming down as well. NASDAQ rotation down. SPY rotation down. All right. Well, good call on the building liquidity here. So if you didn't pay yourselves, you're probably in a little bit of hurt right now for the little bit of a sweep and go. Sweep and go. Considering a long down here for Biddy. See if it wants to push back. Still waiting. Considering a long down here, though. Maybe we get a VWAP slap and go. Damn, Doji engulfing's paying. Big dump. VWAP slap. VWAP slaps. Got to bounce up here. Considering a long here. Not yet. Big dump. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. My God. NASDAQ rotation down. Bitcoin in the bounce level. Straight down. Straight down. Wow. Should have shorted at the Doji engulfing, man. Holy smokes. No bounce here for Biddy. No bounce here for Biddy. It's got to reclaim VWAP now. Damn, Daniel, what a dump. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2s. 2s in the chat. Let's go, baby. Nice dump here. Solana rotating down as well. Damn, sell wall worked out perfect. I missed it, guys. I missed it. I missed the sell wall. Can we push back here? Aggressive moves through VWAPs, typically bearish. Still no trade, guys. Still no trade. Just hanging out. That's a very aggressive move down here. You got 2s in the chat. Lots of 2s. As expected, yeah. I mean, we gave the short. You guys are all paid. Good job, everybody. Good job. I didn't get paid today. You guys are all making all the money now. I'm upset. Into a bounce level here. Target acquired, I guess. Target acquired. Looking for a VWAP retest continuation down here. Whew. Key level of support for Solana. Bitcoin continuing to go. Oil, flat. SPY, flat. NASDAQ, flat. Bitcoin down. Considering a short on Solana here. Bitcoin dying, man. How about that pink box, man? Holy smokes. I'm short Solana. Just a continuation trade here. What? It didn't fill me here. That's a bit annoying. Stopped out. See if we can rotate back up here and get long. Bitcoin looking for the bounce here, holding this low. NASDAQ indecision. Indecision on NASDAQ. Looking for a rotation back up here. Looking for a bounce on Bitcoin back up to VWAP. See if we can push back here. TP hit. Stop loss to entry. Up 250. I took one loss for $75. Oh my God. That was quick. That was quick. Sorry, one loss for $4. $200 on that trade. GG's in the chat. $4 loss, $208 win. No pushback here for Bitcoin. Rotation down here. GG's on the shorts, everybody. Pink box winning, man. The pink box is winning. Solana rotation down. Rotation down. I'd like to see a bounce out of Solana here, but Bitcoin does not look like it's giving it up, man. Jason Casper just shouted me out. I love Jason Casper. God bless him. Jason Casper is the G. If you haven't taken Jason Casper's free trading course, you are not doing it right. That's all I got to say. I mean, he's giving the alpha all the time. He's a good human. God-loving people. God bless Jason Casper, man. Bitcoin dumping, man. Nasty. No trades. Just waiting here. Nice dump. Nice dump, baby. Send it to 0. Next level down here. Trying to hold this support level. See if it can push back. Do we got orb yet? 1 minute till orb. Open range breakout. Almost developed. 430 people in here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Hanging out here. God bless you guys. See if we can get a VWAP slap continuation down here. Oh, NASDAQ bouncing. Considering a long maybe. NASDAQ bouncing. Can Bitcoin bounce? Can Bitcoin bounce? Can Solana bounce? Solana's in a buy level. NASDAQ's got to follow through here. No follow through. Bitcoin's looking weak. This looks like it's going to roll over. NASDAQ bouncing, but no follow through. Solana, no follow through either. Looks like lower, guys. Nice liquidity grab this morning. Great shorts given in advance this morning from the sell wall. Perfect sell wall this morning. Doji engulfing continuation trade. I mean, it's all there. It's all there. So now we're waiting. 420 people here on the live. Thank you guys for being here. Hanging out. We could get an aggressive pushback into VWAP. That's the one thing that I'm watching for here. If we get a VWAP slap, we could look for that continuation down trade. Potentially. NASDAQ's got to go, though. NASDAQ's got to go. Bitcoin's looking decent here. I entered Solana again, guys. I'm long Solana. Stop loss to entry. Take profit one hit. V-shaped recovery, maybe. Up $460 here. Push, biddy. Let's go, baby. Halfway up the candles here. And take another half out here. If we're going to keep going. GG's in the chat. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Up $940. Let's go, baby. NASDAQ was the tell, guys. Did you just make 500 on? Yes, Dave. Yes, Dave. Jason pulled his free trading course and starting it over. Ah, that's okay, man. It's still alpha. 44x leverage. Always have, always will. 44x leverage. Leverage is a tool. What was my signal to long? NASDAQ ripping, holding. Key level of support on Solana. And my little chart down here that you can't see. This one. My little chart down here. Big position or leverage? I mean, I have a big account. Let's just put it that way. Bottom blaster. Yeah, bottom blasting. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin pink box. I mean, the gang knew. The gang knew we had the pink box. Okay, what's the tell? Okay, critical level of support for Solana. My buy level. Imbalance. Liquidity swept. Okay, so you've swept liquidity. Okay. We're in higher highs and higher lows. No? Yeah. Okay. What did we say this morning with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, entice buyers, wreck buyers. Bitcoin, critical level of uptrend support. We didn't get to the buy level, but liquidity has been taken out of these lows. Now we look for VWAP. So if anything, we're looking for breakdown, continuation, rotation down. However, retest to previous lows. So this is a sell wall right now that we're in. Okay. This is a sell wall. If it can flip this, we get going. So I'm looking for that retracement scalp back into VWAP on Bitcoin. I'm at a critical level on Solana. We've swept the liquidity into a buy level, hence why I bought. Okay. The NASDAQ swept and started pushing. Okay. Can it get going? I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Put a 1 in the chat if I should take profits. Put a 2 in the chat if I should let it run. You guys let me know. I think we're going to run. If we get acceptance back into this range, which is right here, I'll take more. I'll take most of it. And that'll be me. If we get up here. Happy days. You guys tell me. 1, take the profits. 2, hold it. 2, hold it. 1, take the profits. Partial. Partial. Bitcoin's still pushing through VWAP here. It's trying to push. Push it, Nambi Pambi. Come on. I gotta play a Dave Digital song or something. Are we gonna go pump song? This is how we lose subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got 420 people here, only 176 likes. That's average, man. We should get 200 likes. Come on, guys. Don't be a dick for a tick. Take your profits. Make sure you subscribe to CryptoFace, HRJ, Jason Casper. We're pre-rich, baby. Don't be a namby-pamby. Pump it. Otters in the chat.
Off the floor, Ray Orbison, kicking down the door. Click buttons, make money. Click buttons, make money. Make money. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Pump it, push it up.
Aggressive move through VWAP. Continuation trade.
Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch a Raleigh grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Yeah! Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper.
Get to the jobber. Stop whining. Thanks, Al. AI, yeah. You can make a jingle, Ancient Swine. I'll pump it, bro. You can make a jingle, bro. That was fun. I listened to you guys. I took a partial. We'll let it run now. Thank you guys for being here. How do you put stop loss at entry so fast? You slide it like that. Look. Boom. Done. Right? Expected resistance here. NASDAQ rolling over a little bit here. See if it can continue to find support. Very choppy this morning. SPY still rolling over. Guys, it's still, this is still topping structure, right? Like this, the long is a scalp, right? The long is a scalp. You look here, right? You got bear div. You got number 2. If you're part of the Discord, you got a number 2 here. Right? Number 2 rejection. So if you're short here, you're in the better position, in my opinion. Why? Because we got all this liquidity to come and grab from yesterday. Monday, false move. Into Tuesday, humble pie, right? So if this, then that. You got the retest of previous lows, continuation down. You got the break of structure, right? So the short is the better trade here. However, if it wants to hold, this would be a key area. Also down here. And I mean, we'll look at it in the Discord when we go into there. But we remain patient here. We're still in the trade. We'll see if it wants to push. If it wants to push, cool. We've paid ourselves, right? So, I mean, happy with the whatever. The 3 trades today, right? Up. We're up. $1,400. Beautiful day. Beautiful day, right? Beautiful day. Stopped out. Stopped out. Continuation down now. All right. There's your rejection. GG's in the chat, baby. Let's go. Don't be creepy. So good morning. Good morning, man. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Welcome, everybody. If you're new here, we're here live trading 8 a.m. till 10:15 every morning. Like and subscribe. Come and join us. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. Trading isn't easy, so come and hang out here. If you do want to take your trading further, you can join the Discord. Amazing Discord. Also, we do have an amazing deposit bonus VIP 3 for 6 months deal on Bitunix. Okay, so you can use the exchange affiliate link for your VIP 3 for 6 months if you want. If you want. I ain't your dad, but I trade on Bitunix and I like it. Maybe you will too. Maybe you will too. Well, thank you for being here and hanging out, man. All I ask really is you say good morning. Just say good morning. Don't be creepy, right? Soft shell, thank you. F-bomb, good to see you. M4. I broke the pump. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm long, not convinced, but I'm long. I like the swing long. I'm not necessarily sure about scalping here long. Are we shorting this? Not yet, Dave. The short was VWAP. The short was golden pocket. Now we have key support down below here, so I want to see how we behave in here. The short would be letting this thing run, coming back for the retest, and then down we go. That would be where we short. So we got a little bit of waiting to do now, unless you took the slap up here or the slap up top here. So we're waiting. Imbalance halfway up the candle, continuation down. Solana, key support here, but you know, I mean, we don't want to abuse the box, right? We're losing 86, this red line. If we lose 86, it suggests that we can come down to 84. These are stops along the way, but that's the important thing to understand about my support and resistance is red to red, stops in between. Right? And you look here, we got red to red, red to red, stops in between. Right? Same deal. So trying to hold out here, bottoming structure. Nothing yet, just waiting here. Aggressive move down. NASDAQ does not look strong. So NASDAQ bias is a sweep and a dump, consolidating, trapping traders up at the highs and rotation down. S&P most likely coming back for a retest into halfway down this candle. So we'd be looking for generally into like here. Generally. So we wait. There goes Bitcoin rolling over. Congratulations on your shorts, guys. Good job today. Getting paid, man. Getting paid. Managing your risk. Are we shorting this? Yeah. No douche nozzles, not financial advice. Yeah. Talk about a pink box, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful pink box, man. The gang knows, man. The gang knows. All right. There's our housing. Our housing data has come out, guys. Existing home sales is up. Coming in at 4.09 million. So this is going up, which is a good sign. Which is a good sign. I'm sure Army Piper will cover that today. Sweep and go. Off you go, Geronimo. Trying to hold this momentum trend line here. No trades for me, guys. Just waiting here. Pretty choppy. Put a 2 in the chat if you're still short. Congratulations, man. That's awesome. Are we going to sweep that 59K? 59K. That's is that low? See, this low, I don't know. I mean, if we're looking at this on a macro time frame, right now there's no trade in my opinion, so we'll just chill on that, right? You have your manipulation above the range, right? And now you would look for this to distribute down to the lows, right? However it wants to do it, because you've mitigated this low here. So it's very possible. And then hopefully you get the spring, right? And you got your Wyckoff, man. But we've had a lot of fake outs, right? And it's conditions of the market, right? You can see that we are holding bullish momentums right here as well, right? So it's trying to hold on for dear life, really. But for now, expectational market order flow, right? So we have high, we have low. We're looking for lower high, lower low, like we said. However, we're in a very aggressive uptrend. So we don't fade this uptrend, but we're aware that we could reverse somewhere in here because of macro downtrend. Just something we need to be aware of, that's all. Right? Especially, like, you want to zoom in and be a scalper. Well, welcome to the jungle. Bull div Solana. Bull div Solana, reclaiming key level. Continuation up. I'm tempted. It's more of an intraday trade, this. Bitcoin trying to hold here. VWAP slap. Doji engulfing candle. I mean, being held down by VWAP, right? We haven't put an orb yet today, guys. You guys didn't tell me to put an orb? Come on, I thought we were friends. You're supposed to be here to remind me of my my brain not working half the time. That's kind of your job. Great sell wall. Great sell wall. Continuation down. Buy levels lower. Trying to hold on here, guys. Enticing buyers. Very choppy price action, right? Like, I mean, we have a 1% range consolidation right now. So lower your position size. Less trades. 3 trades today, a $4 loss, a $200 win, and a $1,250 win. Happy days. Don't give it back, right? That's what I tell my students. I wouldn't call them students. You guys are my students. You're my peers. Some of us just have more experience than others. That's all. I hope that every person in our community can learn how to teach and educate. There's always an opportunity. Becoming a verified trader in our Discord if you want. Look at that. Django hitting it in the Discord. Shout out to Django. Look at the sell. Django. Calm down, bro. Look at this guy. Nice short, bro. God bless you. I love seeing you win. You've put in a lot of work, man, and that it's starting to show, right? It's starting to show. There will be tougher times ahead. That's trading, but it's starting to show, bro. I love it. I love seeing you win, man. Good job, man. And I see the work you're putting in. So it's awesome to see. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, bro. How was my holiday? It was good, Roth. Staycation, right? We were going to Mexico, and then the cartel thing happened, so we didn't go. So we stayed home. It was nice spending time with the family, hanging out. It's always nice spending time with the wife and kid, and perspective. Perspective is interesting. I'm a student. I get more and more. Yeah, I think it's always good to be learning, Brumbelow. You're right. Being a student is incredibly important. What cartel thing? I think down in Mexico. I don't know if you didn't hear about it. That was 2 weeks ago. I mean, Iran is dominating everything now. Been busy at work, but good morning. Good to see you, Willow. How you doing, bro? God bless you. 68,200 coming up. I hope so, man. I hope so. That's what we're looking for. That's our pink box again. Key level of support here, trying to hold on. You can see that NASDAQ rolling over, SPY's rolling over. Like I said, SPY probably needs to come down here, minimum, right? Retest to previous highs. We'll see. Bitcoin key level support, losing orb right now. So reclaim of orb would be bullish. So if we get some sort of like bottoming structure in here and we reclaim orb, we could look for that. Failed orb breakdown is typically bullish. We can look for that. Just trying to remain patient here, guys. We're going into the Discord after this. Hopefully find some trades. And continue on our merry way. No follows through here. Still waiting. You're done for the day. Don't want to give it back. That's smart. I mean, I made $200 yesterday and I shut it down, right? $200, shut it down. High probability trade setups, right? High probability trade setups. I mean, the pink box was given. The short was given here. The short was given here. I took the long in here. Rotating down. NASDAQ rotating down. SPY rotating down. Key level of support here. Buy level on Bitcoin. I mean, you don't buy this. It's just dying right now. So we wait. All these levels given in advance to the family. You guys crushing it. And thank you guys for signing up with the Bitunix link and supporting the channel as well. The deposit bonus and all that goodies for you guys. And keep trucking here. Army Piper's back. I guess we're going to have to send you guys to the Piper Academy today. I don't know what he's got in store for you. We'll see. We'll see what he has in store. We'll see what he has in store. Absolute legend. Your live stream does not show up for me, Piper. Oh, there it is. Okay. It hides it. It tries to hide it from me. Typical YouTube. Retest of orb, continuation down. So VWAP, you had the VWAP slaps. You have the retest of the orb. I'm not trying to give it back either, Django. I've had a good day today, right? Welcome, John, to the Otter Gang. God bless you, bro. Thank you for joining the Discord. Looking forward to seeing you in there. He's probably like, how do you know I joined? I see it all, man. I see it all. Don't forget to click the big verification button. This is what everybody who joins the Discord, they join the Discord. In the email, it says, go to the Discord section here and click verify. That's all you have to do, please. This is my #1 thing that I get requested. I paid for Discord, but I can't see anything. Just go here and click verify. That's all you got to do. It's very simple. Good times, man. Best Discord in all crypto. Just click the big orange button. It's all love. 3 trades today. Up like 1,400. Awesome. Crypto Face coming through. HRJ with the gifted memberships. You guys hanging out. You guys all getting short. A bunch of good setups today given in advance. I mean, spoon feeding is the way. I carry a very big spoon. I do enjoy having you guys here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Discord members, let's go and continue trading. God bless you. Bye.
On the counter, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.
What you know?